So you're a brand new agent trying to get your business off the ground, and you're scared of all the competition and the new challenges that are about to come your way. So I got some good news, I got some bad news. The bad news is everything's changing so fast that it can be hard to keep up. The good news is everything is changing so fast that it can be hard to keep up. Why is that also good news? Because all these people who have been in the business for 30 years are going to lose their competitive advantage. As so much is changing with artificial intelligence and new techniques and different things that are happening with social media and the way to brand yourself online. The people who don't keep up with the times will be left behind. But you as a new agent can take advantage of this, because if I'm selling my house, I need to know that the person I'm working with is aware of how to use all the things that are available in this modern era. I don't want somebody pitching me that they're going to put some flyers out or put an ad in a local paper. I mean, this isn't 1982. So the fact that things are changing opens up a whole new range of opportunities for you if you're willing to stay on top of it. And you're going to have to stay on top of new information all the time. Just like when you're studying for your real estate exam, you got to stay consistent with knowledge. That's never been more important in the field of real estate than now. Stay on top of things, stay ahead of the game, keep your face out there so you don't look like a dinosaur, but rather somebody who's up on what the latest trends are. Then you'll get more deals than you know what to do with. So stick with it, stay confident, and keep up. It's Joe from PrepAgent. I look forward to helping you get there.